We're delighted to work with the team here at Cork Airport on this tourism branding project, which is showcasing the amazing wealth of tourism products both here in Cork and across the wider geographic area to the 13.5 million visitors that are going to come through Cork Airport in the next 5 years. Cork Airport is a key point of access, and we wanted to give visitors and passengers a sense of arriving into a holiday destination when they come through Cork Airport. So therefore, we have worked extremely hard to come up with a design concept and hand-picked the images that showcase the region, and we know that these are going to influence and motivate international visitors to go out and explore Cork and the wider geographic area. They're going to influence domestic visitors to come and stay and take a short break and use Cork as a base for exploring the wider destination. And I think most importantly, we know that they're going to influence the Cork people to actually understand and appreciate the wonderful myriad of tourism experiences that are right here on their doorstep.
We have installed over 100 images here at Cork Airport. The images installed showcase that Cork Airport is a gateway to Ireland's ancient East and the Wild Atlantic Way. It also showcases the best that we have to offer within a short distance here of Cork Airport. Our natural built heritage, our landscapes, and of course not forgetting the experiences that you can immerse yourself within when you're here and arriving at Cork Airport. The last year has shown us that people want to immerse themselves in the outdoors. We have fantastic walking, we have fantastic cycling. You can get on kayaks and go kayaking in our rivers and on our seas. You can actually go and see the most fabulous whale and dolphin watching here along the coast here in Cork. These images will tell us that people kind of want to immerse themselves in experiences all along the coast here. When you're here, we must not forget the most fantastic food offering that we have very close to Cork Airport here. Cork has an abundance of artisan food providers, and this is showcased through the food that you can eat when you're eating like a prince or a princess in Cork City, or in the many towns and villages all around the area and the destination. From the likes of eating in Kinsale, dining in Youghal, or having a quick drink from many of the breweries and distilleries that are here in the area so close to Cork Airport. All of the imagery that we have chosen will really showcase the experiences that the visitors, both the international visitors, as Mary has said, that will come here through Cork Airport, or our people from the destination that are using the airport here. So when you're going through your boarding gate, going through the passport control, coming through the regional bridges, you will see the amazing imagery of our fantastic landscape, of our heritage, of our experiences that you can immerse yourself when you come and go through Cork Airport. These experiences are here for you to take, to sample, to get yourself immersed in for the next 5 years. And we look forward to giving you the best of the Cork welcomes when you come through Cork Airport to visit Ireland's ancient East or the Wild Atlantic Way. And we look forward to visiting and seeing you at the fantastic experiences that we have here on offer.